Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Myself Numanul Hassan, student of MS Computer Science, University of Sialkot. Today, my topic of presentation is Call for Help Emergency SOS app. This app can be used for multiple purposes. For example, we can consider it as a women safety app or child protection app or for journal purpose. A video clip submitted in partial fulfillment of the requirement of the course Human Computer Interaction by Dr. Javed Anjum Sheikh and the copyright transfer to the Dr. Javed Anjum Sheikh. So let's start with my presentation. First of all, I will explain the features of this application. This is a free of cost application. You can easily download it from Play Store. It runs on Android platform. It is consists of a user-friendly interface, and the screenshot shows that interface is fully organized and designed in a well manner. Multi-purpose, as screenshot shows that it is multi-purpose app. We can use many options by using this app, and it is a versatile in his using. Now I will explain all these features one by one. First of all, ease of use. It is very convenient to use. User have only to push the red alert button in case of emergency. After pressing alert button, a countdown of 5 seconds will start. After that, you can send either text message or share your location to your emergency contact number. Now, wise to experience. It is very easy and general purpose app. Call for help app is easy to configure. User will have to register the emergency contacts is by clicking on this button as the first arrow shows. User can edit, view and delete the registered emergency contact numbers as the second arrow shows. User can edit emergency message which will be sent to emergency contact number. The third arrow shows that there is a dialog box and there is written I need help. You can change this text and write any text of your own choice. This will be the text message that will be delivered to your contact number in case of emergency. Versatility. Send alert message through power button of your mobile. The most distinct feature of this application is that in case of emergency, in case of danger, you can just press power button of your mobile phone 3 times continuously and a text message will be sent to your emergency contact number that you are facing any difficulty. This is the most distinct feature of this application, that you neither have to on your mobile and go to app and then send message to your contact number. uh, you can just press power button of your mobile phone 3 times continuously and a text message will be sent to your emergency contact number. User can choose safety zone. Yeah, this is also a distinct feature of this app, that you can choose safety zone of your uh, area that you are going. Let's suppose you are 100 meters far away from your house. When and you uh, tell your parents that I am around 100 meters around my house. When you cross that 100 meters limit, a text message will be delivered on your emergency contact number. And when you come back to your safety zone within 100 meters range, again text message will be sent to your emergency contact number. After that, time scheduling means that you have choose a time when you go to your job. If you read safely to your job position, job office, then application will ask you a message that is you read safely, and if you press that button, it means that you are safe, you are reached on time on to your job, you are safe. If you did not press that button of your application, it will send an alert message to your emergency contact number that you have not on safe, you are not on time, you have may have feel any difficulty, you may be in any danger. So application will send a text message to your contact number, emergency contact number. And if you just press the application button that I am safe, I am okay, it means that there will be no confusion anymore. It is a multi-purpose app. You can search your nearby doctor, pharmacy, hospital by using this app. Similarly, you can call to 151122 rescue by using this app. These all are the versatilities of this app that you can use in this app. For example, the demo video of this application is consist of as an example. So let's start with the demo. This is the interface of this application. By clicking on this button, you can add your emergency contact numbers. That I am add only one contact number, emergency contact number, and here is the countdown timer. You can count down, start timer set by your own limit. Similarly, I have set a countdown of 5 seconds. This is a text message you can type here. Right now, here is type I need help. I can type here, I will type here, call me. Okay, this will be the message that will be delivered to my emergency contact number in case of any emergency. Go back to home button. Multiple I can share my location with my emergency contact number. In other options, police call है 15115. From here I can search my nearby doctor, pharmacies, hospital, and this is the option send alert message to my contact. On the countdown of 3, a text message will be sent to my contact number. In case I mistakenly click on this button, you can cancel this option. On the countdown of 4, 5, 3, I cancel, and it is cancelled. There is no message delivery to my contact number. You can record your audio and video, what is happening around you, and you can send those audios or videos to your contact number through email. Ways to keep yourself safe. The most important and the distinct features of this application. I will one by one explain all these features. First of all, choose my safety zone location. Alert my contact if I move out of or come back in my safe zone. Okay, there is a dialog box. If I will check it, then this option will be enabled. There is a radius set zone. For example, you can set it in meters or kilometers. Let's suppose I set it in kilometers. 1 kilometer range, I have set 1 kilometer range. And Noli, it is showing my location, Habibpura, Daska, Sialkot. And the app shows that my map, if I move away from this radius, it will show a search message, it will show a text message to my emergency help contact number. And if I will when I will come back to this radius range, again a text message will be delivered on my emergency contact number. And if I will uncheck this dialog box, this option will not be enable anymore. Now come back to next option, send alert on power button press. Similarly, there is also an check box. If I will check this option, press the power key quickly 3 times in succession to alert your emergency contacts. If I will check this dialog box, this option will be enabled. And when I will press power button of my cell phone 3 times continuously, a text message will be delivered to my emergency contact number that I am feeling any difficulty, I am in any danger, I am in. So they will help, they will call me, they will provide help.